Hello guys, welcome to chapter 6, which is called Data Description. And in this chapter, we have 3 subtopics. 6.1 is Introduction to Data. 6.2 is Ungrouped Data. And 6.3 is Group Data. Let's start with 6.1 Introduction to Data. Data can be presented in two forms. It can be ungrouped data where there are no intervals, or group data where there will be intervals. At the same time, data can be divided into qualitative and quantitative, where the first one, qualitative data, means quality or characteristics. For example, colors, genders, and types of cars. Quantitative data is about quantity, and it can be further divided into two, which are discrete and continuous. Discrete means the data should be countable, therefore the data should be whole numbers. For example, if you have number of books and number of participants, note that for books and participants, they are countable and they should be in whole numbers only. You cannot have 1.5 book or 10.2 participants. So that's why this kind of data are called discrete. Continuous data means that the data is measurable. Therefore, the data can be in decimals. For example, volume of water and height. Let's do example 1 where we need to classify the following as qualitative or quantitative data, and therefore whether it is discrete or continuous. For part A, we have number of car accidents. So whenever you see number, this means that we're talking about quantity. Therefore, this is a quantitative data. So is it discrete or continuous? Note that for car accidents, it should be countable. You cannot have 3.1 car accident. That's for continuous. Therefore, since car accidents can be counted, hence this is discrete data. Next, for part B, time taken. So time is quantity. So this will be quantitative data. And note that since time can be measured and hence it can be in decimals, for example 1.1 hour. Therefore, this is continuous data. Next, for part C, breeds of dogs. Note that we just need to know what type of breed of dog. Therefore, this is not about quantity. We're talking about characteristic of dogs, and hence this is qualitative data. And for qualitative data, there's no need for you to define whether this is discrete or continuous. Next, for part D, number of students. So, number means quantitative and students can be counted. Therefore, this will be quantitative discrete. And for the last part is temperature taken. So, temperature can be measured and we're talking about quantity. Therefore, this is quantitative data. And since temperature can be in decimals, for example, 70.2 degrees Celsius, therefore this is continuous data. And that's how you classify the information whether it is quantitative or qualitative. For quantitative, you need to know whether this is discrete or continuous. You don't need to do anything for qualitative data, just leave it like that.